The symptoms of a malfunctioning differential include unexplained oil puddles beneath the car, whining noises when in four-wheel drive mode, and excessive metal shavings in the magnetic drain plug when changing the front diff fluid. In this video, we will discuss the causes of front differential leaks and ways to fix the issue. Gaining insight into these possible sources will help prevent leaks before they become severe. But just before we start, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Differential housing seal leak. Differential housing seal stops oil leakage at the mating surfaces between sections. These seals may leak as a result of aging and normal wear over time. In order to access and replace the housing seals, the differential must be split during the repair. When reassembling, new silicone seals must be put in, and the appropriate torque must be used. Leaking inner axle seals. The differential housing's axle shafts that pass through it depend on internal seals to keep oil inside. Oil leaks through these seals when they break down from general wear and tear. Vehicle-specific procedures are frequently different when it comes to replacing inner axle seals. But, as with input shaft replacement, you should expect to remove the old leaking seals before using the appropriate driver to drive the new seals in place. Leaking input shaft seal. Gear oil leakage around the drive shaft connection is stopped by the input shaft seal, which is installed on the back of the front differential. This seal is prone to leaks if it is worn out or damaged. Before replacing the input shaft seal, the old seal must be removed and replaced inside the designated bore. Always use the appropriate driver for this task, please. Outer axle seals. Seals are also used in front wheel hub assemblies to keep the lubricant surrounding the axle shafts in place. Failure of these outer seals will result in leaks. Although they are more accurately described as axle hub-style leaks, front axle wheel seal leaks are frequent and can be quite annoying. You may need to use the right tools to remove the problematic wheel seal or gasket depending on the specific vehicle. A fresh seal or gasket will be applied and seated as needed following careful surface preparation. The problem hub will be disassembled and then reassembled in the opposite order. Compromised differential housing. Although it happens infrequently, a front differential crack or burst. This is typically the outcome of excessive stress brought on by a variety of impacts, and unfortunately, total differential housing replacement may be necessary, depending on the precise point of impact. Repairs of this type can be notably complex and costly. Alternatively, a proficient welder or fabricator can frequently fix minor damage to these housings. Cost to fix. The precise expenses related to fixing a front differential leak vary depending on the vehicle model. That being said, most repairs of this kind fall into a certain average cost range. Resealing a front differential can typically cost you between $250 and $500, presuming no internal differential damage has occurred. The cost of replacing the differential in the event of a major failure increases significantly, typically reaching a peak of more than $2,000. Naturally, performance or exotic vehicle repairs will be very costly. Hope the info was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.